Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, WooCommerce and Campaign Monitor. So the use case here is that whenever there is a new customer in WooCommerce, we want to add them as subscribers in Campaign Monitor. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So WooCommerce is a software application where you can set up your online store, whereas Campaign Monitor is an email marketing software. Although WooCommerce and Campaign Monitor have some native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect will help us to transfer data from WooCommerce to Campaign Monitor. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen.
Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. Okay, so this is my website of Pabbly, and now here I'm going to go to this product section over here, and I'm going to click on connect. Okay, so now I'm going to sign in from here. Now because I have already signed into my account, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes, and you can create your free account. Here, I would like to mention one more thing. You can try out this integration in Pabbly Connect absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account right now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down, and here at Connect, I'm going to click on Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and I'm going to create a new workflow by clicking on this button. Okay, so now we are going to give a name to this workflow. So I'm going to give it as WooCommerce to Campaign Monitor. Okay, I'll create it. Okay, so here we are going to integrate WooCommerce and Campaign Monitor using Pabbly Connect. So first I'll integrate WooCommerce with Pabbly Connect, and then I will integrate Campaign Monitor with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to choose WooCommerce over here. And in choose method, you can see we have many trigger methods available over here. According to our workflow, we want as soon as a new customer is created in WooCommerce, we want to add subscriber in Campaign Monitor. So for us, new customer created is our trigger method. Now you might have a question that what is trigger? So let me explain you. Automation runs on the concept of triggers and actions. It is all about when something happens, do this. For example, when a sale happens, send an email. In our case, when a new customer is created in WooCommerce, add a subscriber in Campaign Monitor. So new customer created in WooCommerce is our trigger, whereas add a subscriber in Campaign Monitor is our action. So here new customer created is going to be our trigger method. Now you can see there are many other trigger methods available. You can select whichever you want according to your workflow. And if you don't get the trigger method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to look for your specific trigger method. So I will click on this. Okay, so now here you can see this webhook URL. So after choosing an app and choosing a method, what we have to do is we have to copy this webhook URL from here, and we have to go and paste it inside the trigger software application, which is WooCommerce over here. So you can read the instructions carefully over here and follow them. So I'm going to copy this webhook URL from here. I'll go to my WooCommerce. Here I'm going to click on Settings, then Advanced. Okay. Here I'm going to click on webhooks, add webhook. So here now we are going to create a webhook. So I'm going to give a name as WooCommerce to Campaign Monitor. Okay, here I'm going to make it as active. Topic is customer created. Here I'm going to paste my URL. And I'm going to save the webhook. I'll just save it again. Okay, so now I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, and now I'm going to capture the webhook response. Now, whatever information comes from WooCommerce, it will come to this URL, and thus we'll build a connection between Pabbly Connect and WooCommerce. So I'm going to click on Capture Webhook Response. So now it is waiting for webhook response. That means it's time to go and create a new customer in WooCommerce. So I've already opened a page over here for registration. So let's register. So the username is going to be 𝗪𝗵𝘆. Okay, email ria@gmail.com. First name is going to be Ria. Last name Matthew. Okay, so I'm going to register. So you can see registration complete. So now let's go back to Pabbly Connect and see if it has captured this information or not. So I'll go back to Pabbly Connect. And you can see we have got the webhook response. You can see we have got the email, the name. So now I'm going to save it. Okay, so we have finished our first step integration, that is integration of WooCommerce and Pabbly Connect. And now we'll begin with our second step integration where we are going to integrate Campaign Monitor and Pabbly Connect. So I'll click on this plus button from here. And here I'm going to choose Campaign Monitor, this one. And in choose method, we want to add subscriber because our workflow says that whenever there is a new customer created in WooCommerce, we want to add them as subscriber in Campaign Monitor. Okay, so you can see there are many other action methods available over here. You can select whichever you want according to your choice of workflow. And if you don't get the action method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. So here add subscriber is my action method. So I'll choose it. Okay, so now connect with Campaign Monitor. Here you can see this API key. So we'll read the instructions. Enter your API key and leave password field blank. That means you have to leave this field as blank and here you have to enter your API key. You can read the instructions further. To get the API key, log into the Campaign Monitor account. Go to account settings from top right corner. API key, get API key. Okay, so let's follow these instructions. So I'll go to Campaign Monitor account. So I've already opened my Campaign Monitor account over here. Okay, so account and I'll click on account settings. Okay, then API keys. Okay, so now you can see API key, show API key. Okay. Okay, so here it is asking me my login details. So I have to enter my password over here. Okay, I'll just click on confirm. Okay, so you can see we have got our API key over here. Okay, so I'll copy this from here and I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it over here. Okay, so password field, we have to leave it blank. So now this API key is going to help us to build a connection between Campaign Monitor and Pabbly Connect. So I'll click on save. Okay, so now here you can see we have some empty fields over here and you can see it has already mapped some details over here. So now for these empty fields, we are going to get the information from our trigger response. Okay, so client account, you have to select the client account here. So mine is Pabbly, so I'll let it be list ID. So here you might have some lists already created in your Campaign Monitor. Like if I show you here in lists and subscribers, I have these two lists over here. So I want as soon as a new customer is created in WooCommerce, I want to add them as subscribers in this list, WooCommerce to Campaign Monitor. So I'm going to select this one. If you want, you can also create a new list from here. So I'll select WooCommerce to Campaign Monitor. Okay, so now we are going to map these details from the information that we have got from here. Okay, email address, let me enter. This is the email name. So name is Ria. I'll enter the last name as well. Okay, so Pabbly Connect gives you a unique feature where you can map the first name as well as the last name together. Resubscribe, you have to just write it true. Restart autoresponders, let it be true. Okay, save and send test request. Okay, so you can see we have got the API response. That means we have successfully integrated WooCommerce and Campaign Monitor. So now I'm going to save it. Okay. So now let's go to Campaign Monitor and see if 𝗪𝗵𝘆, a subscriber, is created there or not. So I'll come to Campaign Monitor And here at WooCommerce to Campaign Monitor, I'm going to click on it. Okay, you can see 𝗼𝗠@gmail.com, name is 𝗃𝗵𝘆. So we have successfully added the subscriber in Campaign Monitor. So we have finished our integration over here. Now I will show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this integration takes place in real time. Okay, so I'll go back to my registration page. So I've already opened it over here and I'm going to enter a username over here. So username is done, email stokessteve15@gmail.com. Okay, so first name Steve, last name Stokes. Okay, so I'm going to register him. Okay, so you can see registration is complete. Now let's go to Campaign Monitor and see if a new subscriber is created there or not. So I'll go back. Okay, so I'll just refresh this. Okay, so you can see we have got stokessteve15@gmail.com over here. The name is here. Okay, so we have successfully integrated WooCommerce and Campaign Monitor. Okay, so now let me show you what has happened in our example. I will just minimize this. Okay, so what has happened in our example is, first the information would have come from WooCommerce to Pabbly Connect, and then from Pabbly Connect it came to Campaign Monitor. So now every time a new customer is created in WooCommerce, a subscriber will be added in Campaign Monitor. So we have successfully integrated WooCommerce and Campaign Monitor using Pabbly Connect.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com and our team will help you. For more, you can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.